Didn't see it coming. I don't know if the old man's gonna be able to hang a reaper on his back. This shit don't feel good to me, Bobby. Clay's making a mistake. Try being SOA material.
You all right, brother?
Yeah. Why?
It's checking in. You've been through a lot of shit in the last couple of weeks. Baby, junkie. Maybe all that noise in your head's got you turned around a bit.
Noise in my head? You got something to say, man, just say it.
You've been second-guessing Clay ever since your boy was born. Club's picking up on it.